Stop popping pills and start exploring natural remedies that have been used for centuries. One such remedy is pine needle syrup, a time-tested solution for colds and coughs. I bet you didn't know that the best cold remedy might be right in your backyard. Yes, your backyard could be home to the ingredients for a powerful, natural cold remedy. Winter is here, and staying healthy is more important than ever. Keeping our immune system strong and avoiding seasonal illnesses is at the top of our list. Today, I'm sharing a simple, natural remedy that's been used for generations: pine needle syrup. This syrup is not only effective, but also easy to make at home. Packed with vitamin C and other beneficial compounds, pine needle syrup is perfect for soothing colds and coughs. Let's get started on making this wonderful syrup. First, grab some fresh pine needles from your backyard or a nearby forest. Make sure they're from edible varieties like eastern white pine or fir. These types are safe and have the best flavor and medicinal properties. Avoid toxic ones like yew or cedar, which can be harmful if ingested. If you're unsure about the type of pine needles, do a quick search online or consult a local expert to ensure you're using the right kind. Once you have your pine needles, rinse them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris that might be clinging to them. Then, chop the needles into smaller pieces to help release their oils and nutrients. This step is crucial for extracting the maximum benefits from the needles. Next, add about 1 cup of chopped pine needles to a saucepan and pour in 2 cups of water. This will form the base of your syrup. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to steep for 15-20 minutes. During this time, the water will extract the beneficial compounds from the pine needles. You'll notice a refreshing, piney aroma filling your kitchen. That's nature's goodness at work. Once the steeping is done, strain the liquid to remove the needles. Now, we're ready to turn this pine needle tea into a delicious syrup. Return the strained liquid to the saucepan and add about 1 cup of sugar or honey, depending on your preference. Both options work well, but honey adds an extra layer of soothing properties. Heat the mixture gently, stirring continuously until it thickens to a syrupy consistency. And there you have it, your very own homemade pine needle syrup. Store it in a jar and keep it refrigerated to maintain its freshness. It'll last up to 2 weeks, giving you plenty of time to enjoy its benefits. Take a teaspoon daily to boost your immune system, or add it to hot water for a soothing, warming drink. Not only is this syrup medicinal, but it's also delicious. Drizzle it over pancakes, mix it into desserts, or enjoy it in your favorite teas. The possibilities are endless. Give this simple and natural remedy a try. It's a wonderful way to stay healthy and enjoy nature's gifts during winter. Embrace the power of pine needle syrup and make it a part of your winter wellness routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and remedies. Until next time, stay warm and well. Your health is your wealth, especially during the cold winter months.